So I've come up with a way. Now, if you ever had a need for what do you call a wing bolt or a thumb screw, I bought this jig from AliExpress. It's for a router, and it came, with less features, and it required this use of this screwdriver tip to tighten this rod. So ideally, if you look at the woodpeckers one, they actually use thumb screws. Now, thumb screws are expensive, but I came up with a quicker solution than that, and that's to use what you have. So here, I'll take this off. And what I found was, you take one of these bolts, take the wing nut, screw it all in together. I'll zoom up here. Screw it all in together. Add a nut on the end. And voila. Oops, let me get that on the camera. You get like a wing nut. Okay, so as long as you tighten it up, you're good. And instant knob. Okay, so I made some smaller ones here, which are better suited. And let me show you how. A smaller one right here. And screw that in. And that's good. Works perfectly. So now I can adjust, and now I have a simple, quick knob. So again, another one here that I put on. You can see that. And here's some other examples. One where a bigger bolt, even bigger bolt, and smaller ones that you can use just by building up using inexpensive nuts and bolts. Now, you got to have these things. I got this, oops, sorry, Patches. These two sets from Princess Auto, and they were $5 each. And they include lots of wing nuts and lots of bolts. So it doesn't cost me much to make myself some of these quick knobs. So here's another example. This only works if you've got these in, abundance already. So I've got a big bolt, and I would like to use it for this T-nut. So you can see, it'd be great to have a knob. Well, so you take your wing nut, so there you go. Then you take your bolt, secure that. You can tighten that up, and then now, as you can see, got a knob. Quick as that. Quick and easy. Here's a couple of other examples of making quick knobs, and this is one of those beveled screws, and here's a simple wing nut, and just put that on. And you see how that fits a lot better. The head fits a lot better. And then take your nut and there you go. Instant knob. Here's another example using a another type of bolt with a flat bottom, rounded top. So I'll put the wing nut. You see how that fits pretty nice. There's a lot less gap there. And then put the nut. And then there. Another knob. Quick knob. Instant knob. So that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it.